Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find the API key. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Mailerlite, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding your Mailerlite API key is a simple process. You just have to follow these simple steps. Number one is, once you are logged into your account, entering your credentials, I want you to navigate to the integration sections that is found at the left side panel of your dashboard. You see this? Click on it, and you would be forwarded to this department that says API. So you have two APIs, matter of fact. The e-commerce API is something that makes it easy for developers to simply and smoothly integrate with other shops. Now, the API, on the other hand, the simple API key makes it easy for developers to simply and smoothly integrate with other apps. If you click on this button right here, you would be forwarded to a new page. All right. Now, all you have to do, if you haven't created your API tokens yet, click this button right here that says generate new token. All right. And I want you to enter the token name. For example, I'm going to be putting something like this. All right. Now, you have three more options here. You have the option to allow all APIs or no IP restrictions will be added to this token, or enable IP wide allow list. All right. Now, your IP is going to be set here, and click the you understood that you have read the API token requirements terms of use, and all I have to do is click this button that says create token, and it will be forwarded here. Just copy this download key in a safe and save it somewhere safe. For security reasons, we cannot show you this again. All I have to do is click the copy. All right. You also have an option to download it. Depending on your preference, you can download it as a text format, or save it to your locally on your computer. Click on save. All right. Click on close, and you would be forwarded to the home menu again. Now, if in case you're having problems getting a new token or generating your API key, you might want to hover to the question mark here. This is going to be the knowledge base and help center. Most of the time, one of the reasons why you're not getting or generating API keys is that the website are down, or maybe your account has been blocked or restricted. So you might want to contact the Mailerlite support, and they will give you troubleshooting steps, all right, on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.